Yeah, good morning everyone. It's around 8:59 around here in Nigeria, yeah. So I want to say a big shout out to you, your returning subscriber. So it's been a long time. I've never analyzed boom and all the crash and boom pairs in this channel. So right now we are going to be breaking this chart down, boom 500 to be precisely, so we can know what the trade is gonna play out or what's likely gonna happen. Yeah, I discover most people love trading boom and crash, so I feel I'll do the analysis on that. So meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and subscribe if you are new. And yeah, comment below the challenges you have been encountering during trading, and I'll be excited to help you out here. So I also have, if you really want to have a one-on-one class with me, and you yeah, you want to have a one-on-one class where I'll be teaching you on my strategy from wherever you are. If you want to be a beginner or you have been trading for a while but you're under consistent, all the way to be a profitable and consistent trader. So just comment below, I'm interested. Yeah, I'm going to send you my number and you're going to message me on WhatsApp while we'll kick it from there. Yeah, so let's go straight into the video. So this is boom 500 index. This 4 hour time frame to be precisely. So you know how we trade. We go to 1 hour time frame, we'll go to the daily, the higher time frame to do the analysis. So we go on the way to daily. Yeah, so I know once you approach your chart like this, you'll be kind of confused. What's the market trying to do? So let's see. Okay, I can really see something about here. Okay, pull out the trend line about here. I can see the charts kind of from doing a foul play about here. Sorry about that. My battery is low, so yeah, I can see that happening, and I can also see a kind of resistance bar above here. So we're gonna position it to at the supply region, just at the supply region. So and yeah, so we're gonna use our Fibonacci now. We're gonna draw our Fibonacci from swing low to swing high to see what the market is actually doing at that point. Yeah. Okay. So sorry about the posting and thereabout. My phone is kind of messy and I want to figure out how to set the Fibonacci well, you understand, not to waste your time. So yeah, this is it, and you can see at this point the market is in a full downtrend. Came at this point, the market is supposed to do a lower low but fails to do that, then give a turnaround. As you can see, there was a turnaround about here, now trying to do higher highs, higher low, covering, clearing the orders around here. You can see clearing the orders around here. You can see it at that point here. So this market is now trying to do what we call higher high and higher low, and yeah, so what we're going to do now is to mark out our level. Yeah, so mark out our levels. The next one will be here. So if you really want to know how to draw your technical analysis really well like a pro, you can comment below and I'm gonna fish you out and teach you all I know. Yeah, so delete our fib now, then we'll go to lower time frame to find perfect entries. Yeah, so as you can see, something is kind of playing out like a consolidation happening somewhere about here. You can see that even from the top all the way down, so you can see consolidation happening around there. And so what we'll be looking at now is a breakout from this region, a kind of breakout from here, you know, from here like this, and a retest, kind of a retest in this region. Then let's go to 4 hours. Yeah, so kind of a retest, then all the way to this place. So back to our 4 hour. So this is what I'm really anticipating on this market. But if this market fails to do that and want to crash down, this is where we'll be waiting for the market at the second because if this market should crash down, this is a consolidation and it has no much space to play around that setup. Because if you have to play around that setup, it has to break our trend line, then break the next support before we know the market isn't playing what we want. But checking this out, and I've seen this several times, so I know what this market is trying to do is a consolidation, gathering momentum for a distribution. Do you understand? And so we'll be waiting for the market somewhere about here. Once this market break this place, we are bringing our stop loss to break even, and we're making it all here. This might look like a small play, but come to look at it in somewhere about 30 minutes, or you can see it's a lot of space. You can add multiple positions while trading here. And if you really want to know how to add positions, you can also join the people that's going to comment in the section box, and I'm going to meet you one-on-one, then we'll start our training. Yeah, so this is what I'm really anticipating. So we just have to figure out when this market is going to break out, and don't wait for a breakout in any time frame lower than 1 hour. Yeah, watch a breakout in 1 hour time frame, if possible 4 hours close. Do you understand? A good 4 hour candle. Let's go to 4 hour. A good pull. You know, this is normally you have to know that boom always go down while crash up, then the spike are always the otherwise. Do you understand? So what we'll be looking at now is a spike all the way and closing above here. You understand? Then we are moving all the way up to this point. So spikes are always happen, so this is a risk-free move. Do you understand? It's not like spikes that once you go the other way and the spike might hit you out, make you dip you more than your stop loss. Here I've encountered that several times when starting out. So but this is actually a moves significant like other trades. So if your stop loss is somewhere below here and it's coming down retracing, it's going to retrace gently to stop you out. Kind of weird, but it's kind of better than one spike meet you at your stop loss. It's going to dip more than your, because it's kind of fast. So that is the setup we're actually looking at boom 500 right now. And if this should play out, I think this is what I'm going to hold for a week or so. Yeah, so if this is what you really want to be checking out, because I'll be doing more analysis, and this is what you really want to check out, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification if this is any way helpful, and meet you in my next video. Take care and happy new month in advance.